not only my friends get mad at me when they don't get mad. They don't. Not only my friends say that I eat too much. My mom says it, my dad says it, my brother says it.
What do you do?
I do, and I agree with that. It's just funny. I'm not fat, but I eat a lot.
I really don't care hopping that line, lady. Doesn't matter to me. I'm not in a fucking hurry.
I want the 4-piece chicken strip, not nuggets, strips. You know, that new thing, whatever they had. Or a drink.
Where's the speaker at? Oh, yeah.
If they still have it.
Can I have a hot and spicy?
What?
Can I get hot and spicy?
If you're going to eat it.
I will.
She eats hot and spicy chicken. She just wants the original hot and spicy chicken. That's the meal deal. Ask them if they still have the new chicken strips.
They clearly do. It's on the menu.
Where?
I don't see it. All I see, that's
At the 5A. That's chicken strips, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. McChicken.
strips. 4-piece, yep. It's number 5 with. It's number 5, the A.
5A.
I just want that and a drink.
What do you want? The McChicken hot and spicy?
Yeah.
Meal?
You want the meal or just a sandwich?
It doesn't matter.
What do you want?
I'll take the meal.
Erska stays
Hello,
the size it is.
No, ma'am.
Alright, what can I get started?
I want number 5A, the 4-piece McCrispy chicken strips.
Medium or large? Or do you want just the 4-piece strips itself?
4-piece strip itself and a drink.
Alright, and what's the sauce?
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard?
Yes.
And
Alright.
my drink a high C.
And then a 4B spicy, medium size.
I need a large high C, babe.
And she wants a large iced
High
high
C.
C with that strips.
Can I have the Coke?
Just
A
You-
large
high C?
high C?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying
Alright,
my
anything
best.
else?
And number 4B, the spicy chicken.
What do you want to drink? Sprite? What?
Alright.
Coke?
She wants Coke with that.
Okay, so you want to make that a meal?
Yes, ma'am.
Medium or large?
Medium.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
And you said a Coke?
Yes.
I don't need big.
And then I want the
When I eat, I just snap. Grandpa, you haven't found out what you
the
want.
2B cheese and bacon with no onions or pickles on it, please.
No onion and no pickles?
Right. I'll make that large size for the meal. And I want a McCafe, caramel McCafe with 2 shots of espresso in it, please. And that'll be it.
And you said a frappe?
Yes, a caramel frappe with 2 shots of espresso, please.
Alrighty.
You still got soda, babe.
And that's it. And that's large size on mine, the bacon one.
Okay, what was that?
On the bacon quarter pounder, that's large size. Yes, you got it. Okay.
Alright, that's everything on your screen look correct.
Yes, ma'am.
3424 at the window.
All right, thank you.
You can throw these away, babe,
How?
when we get up that way. I've got them in my
If
hand.
there's a trash can, I can go.
Okay, here you go.
I can't find.
Up front.
Open the door.
I can't.
Abby, open the door.
Open the door and you can go out.
There you go.
And I get out and just go.
Just
Yes.
go, yeah. We'll meet
And
you.
then come back.
We'll meet you in the drive-thru. Go.
Hurry. Close door.
Why is she going up there? Oh.
That's trash can. She saw a trash can, man.
She didn't see a trash can.
She knows where it's at.
My car door locked.
I don't know. I didn't lock it
Where's
back.
my
I don't
wallet
think.
at?
It's right there.
No, it's not there, Clara.
I don't know. Turn the light
Oh my
on.
gosh, Clara, come on.
I didn't touch your fucking wallet.
You didn't put my car. I handed my car. Put my car back in there.
I stuck it back right there, but you moved it.
I didn't move it, Clara. Oh my gosh, Clara.